Hey everybody, Mr. Hein here again, and I just wanted to show you quickly how to navigate your Google Classroom for PE, and specifically how to do a physical activity log or PAL. I think some people are not turning those in. I just want to make sure that you know how to use them because I think they're pretty easy, but I want to walk through them with you. So if I go over to my classroom bar and I click on my classes, this is what it looks like for me as a teacher. I'll just click on 8th grade CRVA. Here's our page. And if I go to classwork and then click on physical activity logs, that is what shows up for me. I could also view the assignment and go to instructions. And here is where the physical activity log is. This is the actual assignment. It says the challenge option is to use the 3 YouTube video games that are listed here. And if I do those, I have about 15 minutes of my 60-minute goal. The assignment is to complete the PAL at least 3 times during the week. At least 3. That is a standard in middle school physical education, that students are trying to be physically active on their own at least 3 times a week outside of school. So that's not even in PE, but just on their own. So here's the physical activity log. It shows up as a Google form. And I'm going to do this really quickly because I do think this is a really nice way to keep track of our stuff. So my name is Josh. What activities did I do today? I can choose up to 3. I rode my bike to school. So I biked. I played soccer during one of my classes. And that's all I've done so far. But I've done a lot of time in those. So I only need to pick 2 because I can choose up to 3. Which of the 5 components of health-related fitness was most improved? Blah, that's a very long question. So if I break it down, which of these things was most improved when I was being active today? And for me, it probably would be the very first one, how fast my heart beats and my lungs breathe. I didn't do a lot of muscle stuff of lifting for a long time or a lot of weight. I didn't work on my flexibility, and I don't know if my body composition changed very much because I wasn't at a really high heart rate yet. What do you like? Why do you like the activity that you did? And I can choose 1 or 2. I like biking to school because it's fun and I know that it's healthy for me. And my bike ride was 30 minutes. I had 2 PE classes that we did various soccer games for about 30 minutes each. So a 30-minute bike ride plus 30 and 30, I already have 90 minutes of my 60-minute goal. So I'm doing really well for the day. And all I gotta do when I'm done, I know that I did them all if I hit click submit and it says, thanks for filling out the ticket. If I missed anything, it will let me know. So that is a quick run through on how to do a physical activity log.